For my DIY project, I have decided to do a project with regards to mobile cell phones and mobile internet. Um, so what inspired me to do this project was I'm doing quite a bit of traveling next month, and I was looking at various forms of mobile broadband internet as far as air cards and tethering my cell phone and all that stuff, and it's all very expensive. It all comes in add-ons or new lines on service, and I can't really afford that right now. So what most phones now have what's a feature called mobile hotspot, and that costs as well. It costs $30 a month through Verizon, and basically what it does is I can show you here. This is the HTC Incredible. Let me turn this. Basically what you do is you can turn your phone into what is a wireless router. So you turn on 3G mobile hotspot here, but you read this warning. You need the 3G mobile hotspot feature from Verizon Wireless in order to use this device. While the 3G mobile hotspot is active, on-device applications will continue to work and use the 3G mobile hotspot data feature. So, long story short, can't use it without the $30 add-on or $20 add-on. Anyway, so I did a little bit of research on the internet, and I found out that you can unlock this mobile hotspot feature quite easily with what's called a root and ROM. The root part of it is basically gives you root access to the operating system on the phone. Verizon and HTC they block the user's access on it, so you can't do things like unlock normal functions of the phone like 3G mobile hotspot. So the ROM basically puts an overlay over it so you can actually access it without having to use BIOS commands. So after quite a bit of research, I found two programs that are needed to do this. The first one being what's called it's called unrevoked reflash. So this is the rooting aspect. So we open up this program here, and it tells me that I need to download it from the internet. So anyway, what we do here is we put the phone into what's called debugging mode. That the debugging mode is for developers. It's focus on here. What it does is you can test applications on the phone that you're coding. So the debugging mode does that. So we got applications development, and then we check USB debugging. Get this warning, it's checked. Woohoo! So then this pops up on the computer. It recognized it. Just click OK. What it's going to do, it should reboot it. It's telling me that. Okay. So the phone's rebooting. Okay, and we just click the power button at the top, and it should run it. Okay, so basically what we have here is we have what the root did is basically gave us super user permission, which is seen right there, and it allows certain applications to run with super user permissions. So they can basically, they have permission to do whatever they want. So we still have a stock ROM on here, and the mobile hotspot still will not work, I believe. So you can make sure with that. Wireless and networks, 3G mobile hotspot, still same message. So next step, put it in disk drive mode so that it shows up on the computer screen, the SD card. Okay, so there it is. Then we drag on the zip file It should boot right out into the recovery mode. And then what we want to do is go down to the menu selection, recovery, press the power button, and then go down to install zip from SD card, press the power button. But we have to use that. Then go to choose zip from SD card and press the optical button. And then we go down to the file name we want, which is the bottom one. It's already selected. Press that. Yes. Okay, and it's installing it. There we go. Custom home screen or boot screen. Okay, so we have the new operating system on here. It looks a little different, but that's not what we're looking for. We're going to see if that mobile hotspot works. So we go into wireless and networks, tethering and portable hotspot. We turn on portable hotspot and no Verizon message saying you need to pay for it. It'll turn on. There we go, tethering hotspot active. We go to the settings, configure, and basically lets me name it. I'm going to leave it open just for demonstration purposes. So now we can set the phone down, and I will disconnect from my home internet. Turn the well, actually I'll just leave it connected, but if we can see you let's see, what was that? Android AP is what it's called. It's the only open network in my apartment building, so I'll demonstrate this quickly. And if you look at the top there, it's looking. There we are, connected. Go down to Google Chrome, and voila, we are portable. You don't get the best Verizon signal in my building, but better than paying. So that is the do-it-yourself mobile hotspot. I saved, let's see, 30 bucks a month, or 20 bucks a month for 24 months. That's $480.